Jupiter is at opposition at the moment, and so we thought it would be a good idea to try and record some footage. Unfortunately, from the UK it is extremely low in the sky, only about 16 degrees, so I had to wait until it went in between two buildings in order to actually capture anything. For those that aren't aware, opposition is when Jupiter and Earth are at their closest point. So in this first recording with my mono camera, you can see Jupiter. On the right of the image, if you look very, very closely, there's two faint smudges. That's Io and Europa. Then on the right, further out, is Ganymede and Callisto. So now we've stacked this first image and turned it into a video to improve the quality. As you can see, the belts of Jupiter are more defined. Because Jupiter is so low down on the sky at the moment, it makes focusing and getting a clear image quite difficult. Now, to bring out those moons a bit more, we're going to increase the exposure from 20 milliseconds to around about 100 milliseconds, as you can see in this video. This is live footage, and you can see the moons are starting to pop out of the image. To improve the contrast and aid in focusing, I'm using a UV-IR filter and a light pollution filter. We've now done some post-processing and stacked the images so we can see a more defined overexposed Jupiter and its Galilean moons. Now, using a bit of post-processing trickery, we can combine the overexposed stacked image of the moons and the stacked image of Jupiter to create a combined image where you get to see the moons and Jupiter in more detail. Finally, here is a diagram of all the moons in relation to Jupiter. As you can see, Io and Europa is on the right, and Ganymede and Callisto on the left. That's all for now, folks. If you'd like to see more astronomy videos, please subscribe to our channel.